How to make money on YouTube. The golden question: how do you make money on YouTube? Your channel needs some traffic before you start making money. But if you use these strategies correctly, you don't need millions of views to make a living from YouTube. This article will cover the business aspect of YouTube. You can do several or all of these methods. Here are 6 ways to make money with YouTube. 1. Google AdSense. The most obvious choice is to make money by serving ads on your videos. Ads can play before people watch your video, throughout the video, or at the end. Sometimes you can have multiple ads play on one video. It's also important to know every channel has a different CPM. For example, personal finance channels pay a lot more than prank channels. This can be something to keep in mind when brainstorming video topics or starting a channel. There are also many other factors that affect your CPM. We found some articles for you below. What affects your CPM? Tips to raise your YouTube CPM. Requirements: to put ads on your channel, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of overall watch time on your channel within the past 12 months. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, aka referral marketing, is the process of earning commission for promoting a company's products or services. Many of the top YouTubers always say click the link in the description to buy ______. Usually that is an affiliate link. And if you purchase the product through their special link, they will earn a commission. You can do affiliate marketing for any genre or channel, and it's very effective if the product or service resonates with your audience. To give you an example, Amazon has an affiliate program you can sign up with. When you get accepted, you can promote anything on Amazon's website and receive up to 10% commission. There are many companies that have affiliate programs. Usually it says on the footer of their website, affiliate, or you can type company name affiliate program into Google. 3. Merch, selling products. This is another more obvious way of making money through YouTube. You can sell merchandise and clothing to your loyal fans who want to support you. Many high-level YouTubers make most of their money through merchandise. In fact, Logan Paul said that he made over $1 million in one day on Black Friday. To sell merchandise, you can find a supplier locally. You can also find a print-on-demand service such as Teespring, Spreadshirt, or many more. 4. Sell informational products. Online education is on the rise and people are spending lots of money in this category. If you run a successful channel or have some knowledge that your viewers would like to know, you can sell a course, ebook, or consulting to your audience. The best part is you don't need lots of views to make money from this. If you're doing consulting, for example, you only need to convince a handful of clients and can charge them a lot of money. For your product to be successful, you should over-deliver on the price they paid for it. Some genres of YT channels have better opportunities to do this, i.e. cooking, DIY, business channels, but you can actually sell a course about anything you know. You can create a course with Teachable, which is what Graham Stephan uses, a YouTuber who makes over $100,000 a month from YouTube. 5. Sponsorships, brand deals. Many brands pay a good amount of money for YouTubers to place their products somewhere in their videos or mention a few good words about it. One example is tech review channels where YouTubers talk about new products and review them. If brands are not reaching out to you yet, you can still get sponsorships, but you have to reach out to them. To form these relationships, you need some type of audience established. Then you can email brands and ask if they have an influencer program. Then you can negotiate and see if they're interested in working with you. 6. Donations, i.e. Patreon. Sometimes YouTubers have their channels completely funded by donations from their fans. Patreon is a service that lets your fans pay a membership for you, example $5 per month. You can also give fans incentive to sign up by offering them exclusive videos or benefits. Some genres that do this are documentary channels, channels that have their AdSense disabled, creators that want to focus on quality content, not clickbait stuff, and many more. Final words. Whether you're already monetized or plan to in the future, it's good to plan out your options. You can also combine some of these and have multiple flows of income. Some channels will be better suited for these strategies than others, but it's good to be aware of all them.